Welcome to Easy Daily English. Subscribe now to join our community. Ready for a new story? Let's go! Today's story will help you learn English through real airport conversations. If you want to understand phrases like check-in, boarding pass, security check, gate number, this story is perfect for you. Follow Ella on her first trip to the airport and learn English in a simple, relaxing way. Ella is traveling to visit her family. She is excited but also nervous because this is her first time at the airport alone. She arrives 2 hours early. The airport is big, bright, and full of people walking in different directions. Ella looks around and takes a deep breath. She says quietly, "Okay, I can do this." She walks toward the big screen that shows flight information. She finds her flight number and reads the details slowly. Flight 245, destination New York, check-in desk 12. Ella pulls her suitcase and goes to desk 12. The check-in agent smiles and says, "Hello, passport, please." Ella gives her passport and says, "Here you go." The agent asks, "Do you have any bags to check in?" "Yes," Ella says. "Just this one." The agent takes the suitcase and prints a boarding pass. She says, "Your gate is a 14. Boarding starts at 3:20. Ella answers, "Thank you very much." Now Ella walks to the security check. There is a long line, but it moves fast. When it is her turn, a security officer says, "Put your bag, phone, and laptop in the tray, please." Ella follows the instructions carefully. She feels a little nervous, but the officer smiles and says, "You're good. Have a nice flight." After security, Ella looks for her gate. She walks through the airport shops and cafes until she finds gate A14. She sits near the window and watches the airplanes outside. The moment feels new and exciting. She thinks about her family and how happy they will be to see her. A few minutes later, the gate agent speaks. "Flight 245 is now boarding." Ella stands up and shows her boarding pass. "Welcome on board," the agent says. Ella walks into the plane. She finds her seat by the window. She puts her bag down and sits quietly. Her heart beats fast, but she feels proud. This is her first flight alone, and she is doing everything by herself. As the plane moves toward the runway, Ella looks outside. Clouds, lights, and people become smaller and smaller. She smiles and whispers, "A new experience. And I'm ready for it." Thank you for listening to this story. Continue learning English with Ella's stories and improve your English step by step through simple daily moments and real-life conversations. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.